Robert Michael James Gascoigne Cecil, 7th Marquess of Salisbury, KCVOPCDL, is a British Conservative politician. During the 1990s, he was leader of the House of Lords under his courtesy title of Viscount Cranborne. Lord Salisbury lives in one of England's largest historic houses, Hatfield House, which was built by an ancestor in the early 17th century, and he currently serves as Chancellor of the University of Hertfordshire. Early life. Robert Michael James Gascoigne Cecil was born on 30 September 1946 as the eldest child and firstborn son of Robert Gascoigne Cecil, 6th Marquess of Salisbury. His younger brother was the journalist Lord Richard Cecil, who was killed covering the conflict in Rhodesia. Lord Cranborne attended Eton College and Christ Church, Oxford, and became a merchant banker before going to work on the family estates. Political career. House of Commons. Lord Cranborne was selected, unexpectedly, as Conservative candidate for South Dorset in 1976, where his family owned lands. Despite the presence of several former MPs on the shortlist, he spoke at the 1978 Conservative Party conference to oppose sanctions against Rhodesia. He won the seat in the 1979 general election, the seventh consecutive generation of his family to sit in the Commons, and in his first speech urged Ian Smith to stand aside in favour of Abel Muzorewa. He attracted a general reputation as a right-winger, especially on matters affecting the Church of England, but confounded this reputation when he co-wrote a pamphlet in 1981 which said that the fight against unemployment ought to be given more priority than the fight against inflation. He took an interest in Northern Ireland, and, when Jim Pryor announced his policy of rolling devolution, resigned an unpaid job as assistant to Douglas Hurd. Lord Cranborne became known as an anti-communist through his activities in support of Afghan refugees in Pakistan in the early 1980s, and sending food parcels to Poland. Until the early years of the 21st century, a charity shop was run on his Hatfield estate solely to raise money for these causes, including funds for Polish orphanages. He was involved in efforts to fund the Afghan resistance. His strong opposition to any involvement by the Republic of Ireland in Northern Ireland led him to oppose the Anglo-Irish Agreement and contributed to his decision to retire from the House of Commons in 1987. House of Lords. After the 1992 general election, John Major used a writ of acceleration to call Lord Cranborne up to the House of Lords in one of his father's junior titles. Thus, Lord Cranborne was summoned to Parliament as Baron Cecil of Essendon, although he continued to be known by his courtesy style of Viscount Cranborne. This is the last time a writ of acceleration has been issued, and because of the provisions of the House of Lords Act of 1999, abolishing the automatic right of hereditary peers to sit in the House of Lords, any future use of the writ of acceleration is highly unlikely. He served for 2 years as a junior defence minister before being appointed as Lord Privy Seal and leader of the House of Lords in 1994. Funding for opposition parties in the House of Lords, known as Cranborne Money, began during his leadership, when Major resigned to fight for re-election as Conservative Party leader in July 1995. Lord Cranborne led his re-election campaign. He was recognised as one of the few members of the cabinet who were personally loyal to Major, but continued to lead the Conservative peers after Labour won the 1997 general election, when the new Prime Minister Tony Blair proposed the removal of the hereditary element in the House of Lords. Lord Cranborne negotiated a pact with the government to retain a small number of hereditary peers for the interim period. For the sake of form, this amendment was formally proposed by Lord Wetherell, convener of the cross-bench peers. However, Lord Cranborne gave his party's his approval without consulting the leader, William Hague, who knew nothing and was embarrassed when Blair told him of it in the House of Commons. Hague then sacked Lord Cranborne, who accepted his error, saying that he had rushed in like an ill-trained spaniel. All former leaders of the House of Lords who were hereditary peers accepted life peerages to keep them in the House in 1999. Lord Cranborne, who had received the title Baron Gascoigne Cecil of Essendon in the county of Rutland, remained active on the backbenches until the House adopted new rules for declaration of financial interests which he believed were too onerous. He took leave of absence on the 1st of November 2001. He was therefore out of the House when he succeeded his father as 7th Marquess on the 11th of July 2003. In January 2010, Lord Salisbury and Owen Paterson hosted secret talks at Hatfield House involving the Democratic Unionist Party, the Ulster Unionist Party and the Conservative Party. These talks prompted speculation that the Tories were attempting to create a pan-unionist front to limit Sinn Féin and the Social Democratic and Labour Party in the general election of 2010. In September 2012, Lord Salisbury, in his role as chairman of the Thames Diamond Jubilee Foundation, was knighted by the Queen and became a Knight Commander of the Royal Victorian Order. Other interests: he is a Deputy Lieutenant of Hertfordshire and the current President of the Friends of the British Library. Marriage and children. In 1970, aged 23, he married Hannah Stirling, niece of Lt. Colonel Sir David Stirling and a descendant of the Lords Lovett, Scottish Catholic aristocrats. The marriage was initially opposed by his family, chiefly because Stirling was a Roman Catholic. During the 1970s, Lord and Lady Cranborne had 2 sons and 3 daughters, of whom the 2 elder daughters are married. Until recently, they lived at Cranborne Manor, Dorset. The family seat is Hatfield House, once home to Queen Elizabeth I of England, which was given to the family by James I of England in exchange for the Cecil family house Theobald's. Lord Salisbury's family is very wealthy, owning land in Dorset, Hertfordshire and London, as well as heirlooms at Hatfield House. The 7th Marquess ranked 325th in the Sunday Times Rich List 2008, with an estimated wealth of £250 million in property. The Marquess of Salisbury's heir is his elder son Robert Edward Ned William Gascoigne Cecil, Viscount Cranborne. He was a page of honour to the Queen from 1983 to 1986. The heir is currently unmarried, though he does have an illegitimate daughter born in 2001. The younger son, Lord James, has married and fathered 1 son, Thomas Richard James. Titles: 1946 to 1972, the Hon. Robert Gascoigne Cecil, 1972 to 1979, Viscount Cranborne, 1979 to 1987, Viscount Cranborne MP, 1987 to 1994, Viscount Cranborne DL, 1994 to 2003, the RT Hon. Viscount Cranborne DL. 2003 to 2012, the Most Hon. the Marquess of Salisbury PCDL, 2012 present, the Most Hon. the Marquess of Salisbury KCVO PCDL, Ancestry.